Hello dear friends, today we will study about what is the pharmacophore and pharmacophore mapping. Pharmacophore mapping introduced in 1990 by Paul Ehrlich. A pharmacophore is an abstract description of molecular features which are necessary for molecular recognition of ligand by biological macromolecule. A pharmacophore is a representation of generalized molecular features including 3D hydrophobic group, charged ionizable group, hydrogen bond donors, etc. 2D substructure and 1D physical or biological properties that are considered to be responsible for desired biological activity. What is pharmacophore mapping? Pharmacophore mapping is the definition and placement of pharmacophoric features and alignment technique used to overlay 3D. Two somewhat distinct uses that substructure of molecule that is responsible for its pharmacological activity, a set of geometrical constraints between specific functional groups that enable the molecule to have biological activity. The process of deriving pharmacophore is known as pharmacophore mapping. Now, what is the pharmacophore mapping? It consists of 3 steps. Identify common binding elements that are responsible for the biological activity, generating potential conformation that active compound may adopt. Third is determining 3D relationship between pharmacophore element in each conformation generated. Overview of pharmacophore based drug design. Activity data. Generate pharmacophore test activity by or synthesis it and search compounds library for activities. Drug design. The process of finding drug by design based on what the drug targeting, metabolic or signaling pathway specific for disease or pathology. Drugs bind the active site for fit work. Pharmacophore based screening. Usually pharmacophore based search are done in 2 steps. First, the software check whether the compound has atom types of functional groups required by the pharmacophore. Then it's check whether the spatial arrangement of its element match the query. Flexible 3D stretches identify a higher number of hits than rigid search do. However, flexible searches are more time consuming than rigid ones. There are 2 main approaches for including conformational flexibility into the search. One is top generate a user defined number of representative conformation for each molecule when database is created. The other is generate conformation during the search. Pharmacophore based screening. Pharmacophore model provide powerful filter tools for virtual screening even in case where the protein structure is not available. Pharmacophore filters are much faster than docking approaches and therefore greatly reduce the number of compounds subjected to more expensive docking application. Another interesting aspect of pharmacophore in virtual screening is 3D pharmacophore diversity. Classification. Pharmacophore ligand based and structure based. Ligand target complex based, target structure based macromolecular approaches. This is also known as macromolecular approach. Classification of pharmacophore development method. Pharmacophore based on 2D pharmacophore searching of 2D database is great importance for accelerating the drug discovery. Different strategies are pursued to search a 2D database to identify the compound of interest. Substructure search identify larger macromolecule that contain user defined query irrespective of environment and which the query substructure occur. Biochemical data obtainable from these compounds can be used for generating a structure-activity relationship even before synthetic plans are made for lead optimization. In contrast, superstructure search are used to find smaller molecules that are embedded in query. The problem that can arise from substructure search is that the number of compounds identified can reach into the thousands. One solution of this problem is ranking of compound based on similarity between compound in database and in the query. Pharmacophore-based screening. Beyond structure similarity, activity similarity has also been subject of several studies. Similarity search can combine with substructure for limiting the number of compounds selected. Flexible searches are used to identify the compounds that differ from query structure in user-specified ways. 3D pharmacophore searching. Ligand-based pharmacophore generation. Ligand-based pharmacophore generation generally used when crystallographic solution structure or molded structure of protein cannot be obtained. When a set of active compound is known and it is hypothesized that all compounds bind to similar way to protein, then common groups should interact with the same protein residue. Pharmacophore-based screening now. This form of pharmacophore capturing this compound feature should be able to identify it from database novel compounds that binds to the same site of protein as known as compound do. Manual pharmacophore generation. Manual pharmacophore generation is used when there is an easy way to identify a common feature in set of active compounds or there is experimental evidence that same functional groups should be present in the ligand for good activity. An example is the development pharmacophore modeling for dopamine transporter inhibitor. Pharmacophore should also have some flexibility built in, thus justifying the use of distance range. Pharmacophore-based screening. Automatic pharmacophore generation. Pharmacophore generation through conformational analysis and manual alignment is very time-consuming task, especially when the list of active ligands is large and elements of the pharmacophore model are not obvious. There are several programs, HipHop, Hypogen, Disco, Gaps, Flow, Apex, and Rocks that can automatically generate potential pharmacophore from a list of known inhibitors. The performance of these programs in automated pharmacophore generation varies depending on the training set. These all programs use algorithms that identify the common pharmacophore feature in training set molecules, the scoring function to rank the identified pharmacophores. Pharmacophore-based screening. Receptor-based pharmacophore generation. If the 3D structure of receptor is known, a pharmacophore model can be derived based on receptor active site. Biochemical data used to identify the key residue that is important for substrate and inhibiting binding. This information can be used for binding pharmacophore targeting the region defined by key residue for choosing among pharmacophore generated by automated program. This can greatly improve the chance of finding small molecules that inhibit the protein because the search is focused on region or the binding site then can be crucial for binding substrate and inhibitor. Application: ligand-based, receptor-based pharmacophore modeling. Application: virtual screening, de novo design and others. In virtual screening, chemical database and de novo design, and in others, lead optimization, multi-target drug design, activity profiling and target identification. Pharmacophore mapping software, Discovery Studio. Windows and Linux based protein modeling software produced by Accelerate Software Company, easy to use interface. Example of the programs that perform the pharmacophore based search are 3D Search, Unity, Max 3D and ROCS. ROCS is using shape-based superposition for identifying compounds that have similar shape. Thank you for watching video.